Hello friends, now we'll setting up some examples and what we have learned that will clarify in this question. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersects at a point, whether they are parallel or they are coincident. So here we see the first equation A1 is equals to 2, B1 is equal to 3 and C1 is equal to 7, and A2 is equal to 4, B2 is equal to 6 and C2 is equal to 2. So A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4, that is half. B1 by B2 3 by 6 is equal to also half. So you are getting A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and not equal to C1 by C2. So in this case the system is inconsistent. We'll get the lines parallel. So if you draw the lines, we'll get two parallel lines and the system is inconsistent. Now look at the second equation. Here A1 by A2 is equals to 2 by 1, B1 by B2 is equal to 3 by 1. So clearly A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. If B1 by A2 not equal to B1 by C2, the system is consistent and it has unique solution. And their graph meet at a point. The value of x and y at this point P are the solutions. The last one is 1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4, that is half. B1 by B2 is equal to 3 by 6, that is half. And C1 by C2 is equal to 7 by 14, that is also half. So we get here D1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. And this implies the system is again consistent and it has the two lines overlap each other. The lines are coincident. Next question is on comparing the ratios B1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 to find out whether the following pairs of equations are consistent or inconsistent. So now we'll see where A1 by A2 is equals to 1 by 3. B1 by B2 is equals to 2 by 6 is equals to 1 by 3. C1 by C2 is equals to 6 by 18, that is also 1 by 3. So this implies A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2, and this implies the system is consistent but dependent. Second equation, 3x minus y equals to 5 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 6. So here A1 by A2 is equals to 3 by 4. B1 by B2 is equals to minus 1 by 2. So clearly A1 by A2 not is equals to B1 by B2. So their system is consistent. It has a unique solution. The last one, here A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 4. Minus 1. C1 by C2 is equal to 5 by 6. So A1 by B2 that is not equal to B1 by B2. Again it has unique solution. Okay, that's all. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.